Hello everyone, this is Adnan with Canvas Training Videos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with restricted group membership in GPO. And restricted group membership GPO is a setting in which we can restrict a group membership uh, so that nobody should be able to add or remove members from that group. Now let's first understand quickly. In order to understand restricted group membership, let's say we do have Active Directory installed on this. So our Active Directory is here, and Active Directory has user accounts. Active Directory has groups as well. Let's say we have a group called managers, and this group is a very important group since the group has access to maybe very important resources. It has access to, let's say, internet with high-speed internet. It also has access to maybe boardrooms, boardroom, meeting room number one, meeting room number two. Maybe they had access to some other very important servers as well, admin access to many other stuff. So anybody who's part of this group, anyone who's part of this group will automatically get access to all these resources. So what we can do is, through group policy, we can restrict membership of this group. So that is known as restricting group membership, restrict group membership. And I'm going to show that I'm going to show you how to do that through group policy. Now, once the membership of this group is restricted, whatever we do from GPO, so I'm going to go into GPO and I'm going to say user one, or let's say this user and the second user, these both are part of manager's group, and other than that there won't be anybody else added to the group. So the membership of the group will be restricted. That's one way of protecting the group. So let's get started. Let me show you how this works. So first of all, let us go into our Active Directory. So I'm going to go into users and computers, and I'm going to go create a group called Mike. So I'm going to go into Toronto users, managers, OU. I'm going to go under users here. I'm going to create, if you don't have this hierarchy, just make the OU structure. I'm going to make a new group called managers. I'm going to leave everything default, and I've got a group called managers. Now, without applying the group policy, what we can do is, let's say if I go and go into the property and in members, I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, okay, add Mike. So Mike and check name, since I do have a user Mike in this group, and I'm going to add another user called, let's say, Adrian. So ADR, Adrian. I'm going to add both users to this group. So basically, these both users are part of this group now. Now, since there is no group policy on this group, anybody who has access to Active Directory users and computer, they'll be able to add people to this group. And since this group has access to some very important resources, they all get access. So let's say we need only Mike to be added to this group all the time, and nobody else other than Mike should be added. So we're going to restrict access to this group using group policy GPO. So for that, I'm going to go into Tools, and within Tools, I'm going to open GPM. Once GPM is open, all I need to do is I'm going to go here within Group Policy Editor. I'm going to create a new group policy, new, and here I'm going to say this is restricted group membership for managers. So restricted group managers. So this is just the name, and now once that is created, I'm going to go inside, go to Edit, and within Edit, I'm going to go down to Policies, Windows Settings, and go to Security Settings, and within Security Settings, we have something called Restricted Groups here. Now once you have restricted group, it's empty, there is nothing. We're going to create a new group, add group. I'm going to browse, and I'm going to look for manager, MAN. So if you write first three words, if it is a legit group in this domain, it should be able to find. So I'm going to say manager. Once you open it, now it gives you two here. It's saying the manager is saying nothing. It can't see the current manager, but it's empty in GPO. So I'm going to say, so Mike, let's look for Mike. Mike should be part of this group, and this time we're not adding Adrian. So we're going to apply and done. and group policy is created. Now, since the group policy is created, it's not attached to anywhere else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the domain. Now, once it is attached to a domain, now as soon as, and it is a computer setting, as soon as any computer restarts, the policy will be applied, or we can run GP update. So on the same machine, so let me go here and see the group membership at the moment. I can see there are two users in this. So let's go and apply our group policy. So here, first open CMD, and within CMD, we're going to say GP update and enter. Now, once all these policies are applied, the group membership should be changed. So it is applied. Let's go back here, and here I can see now Mike is the member. The other person is removed. Now, yes, you will be able to add Adrian again, but then again, as soon as the group policy will be applied on this, so here, let's say, I'm going to say this time let's add Alan and enter. Once you add him again, so I can see the group membership here. And we all know that group GPOs are applied in 90 to 120 minutes. Again, I'm going to go here and apply group policy. As soon as it is applied, the membership will be changed to just, oops, not changed. What happened? So here, one more time. Sometimes it just takes few tries. And here, let's refresh. Let's look at the membership. And we have Alan A added. Maybe it's just a matter of applying it a few times, but we just applied it and updating policy. So it is applied. Okay, so now it is applied. It's just as I said, it's just a matter of applying it a few times. Sometimes you might need to use force. Otherwise, force is never required in 2008 or 2012 above 2008. But as you can see, it's just a little patience, time, and it works. So this is what group policies, restricted group policies are. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video.